OK，地氈要換。OK，啲櫃仔都照用得嘅，個 range 要係一 still work 嘅，但係舊咗啲㗎啦。咁有啲 broken tile 咧，係喎，講咗一成添。3479啊 Forado Niles Boulevard 兩個房一個次unit number 3嚟嘅，sorry townhouse 嚟嘅，咁short sale 個 price approve 咗㗎，15萬蚊14萬。OK，咁我哋上樓上解一級咯喎。同我住過，同我賣嗰個 floor plan 係一樣嘅。OK， sink shower bathtub，地氈要換。除咗換地氈，其實都 open windows， 有個 desk 咁樣喺度，有個walk-in closet。OK， 我哋望一望個窗出邊先，咁你就知道個 area 啦。OK， 你見到上面有3個鏡嗰個building 咧，嗰個 direction 咧就係個 bar 啦。我估你行3個 block 就會去到個 bus station。咁對面我平時對面有間拉麵係好食嘅，咁我anyways 咁大概你會知道喺邊度啦。呢條街就係Union Square 夾Forado Niles。我哋去睇埋第二個房咧。OK， 地氈 is from the 70s。dual pane windows 換咗啦。咁個櫃佢自己都 upgrade 咗少少嘅，咁多咗地方擺毛巾啊嗰啲咁嘅嘢。overall condition OK。咁行去小肥羊都係2個block 3個block嘅啫。